Hi. In this episode, I will show you and I will continue showing you how to work with screens, create nice UI, use all the components that are available, some nuances. Be sure that you watched the previous episode because everything is being explained here is based on the foundation that is laid on the previous episode. So I finished at this point where I created a new project with a new screen with some typical components. I removed some of the components, rearranged, and created this very simple layout. And everything that you need to create a layout is available in this layout group in the settings, in the style settings of a view component. And you can do different types of layouting. It's if you are from Figma world, it's very similar to the concept of auto layout. If you are from the web world, it's exactly the same as Flex layout. It just in this case it uses a little bit different terminology just for the sake of non-technical users. But if you click on the setting, you always can see that like the original name kind of this particular setting. So you would, if you are technical, you would know what it is this about. For instance, this main axis alignment is justify content. So you would know what to expect, and you can play with different things, do some stuff. Uh, all the layouting in Clickly apps and in React Native apps is based on this kind of auto layout flex idea. It's very flexible. It gives you a lot of freedom, and it's very like um, responsive. It works for different screen sizes, and it's a great solution. If you understand the logic behind it, it will like serves you really well. The logic is pretty simple. Everything is shown basically here with all those icons. If you change the direction, you see the icons change, so you would again know what to expect by an icon. And also many other components in the toolbar, they are basically based on the view, like card content or keyboard avoiding view. They all based on view. So they have like something on top of view, but view is most of the time is a very typical one. Also the text, which you can edit right on the screen, right this way, and you have all the settings for typography over here. This text is also yet another very common component in the React Native world. Then you can add images, of course, and there are a few different options for images: Expo image, React Native image. By the way, before going to images, let me show you that in the toolbar, you have options for different packages. So you can turn on and off, and your choice will be stored in the memory for you for the next time. So if, for instance, you want to use everything but React Native paper because you are not going to work with material design, then you will have basically the main set of the components, the most common components. Or you can say you want to use only React Native core components. It's also option is available here. So when you have all the components and you are looking for image, you can see the few different options. Image is basically duplicated. You have React Native image and Expo image, and same with the background, image background. So usually it's recommended to use Expo components because they are they are basically built on top of their core components, but they have some additional capabilities. They are very useful more often than not. So for instance, I add this image, it has no image yet. I need to upload something, but probably I will do that in the next episode. And see you in the next episode. Bye.